and go. A big world is out there waiting for us. I do live in every day.
I know, it's so weird, it's so cool, I can't believe it!
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm
So-
calling Jaden right now.
So Jesse's talking to Jaden on the phone. Hi, Jaden.
Hi.
We're vlogging.
What?
Yes, we're vlogging you since you're not here.
I know, just Jesse vlog.
Hi, Dan.
Yeah, say hi. Jaden's saying hi to everybody. He's at Jill's house. We're in the middle of a huge blizzard
Yeah.
storm thing,
I'm
so
not here for another day.
I know it.
Another day. Oh, and this time it's a full day.
I know.
It was like more like 6.
How did you sleep?
How did I sleep?
Yeah.
Pretty good. I woke up a lot of times because there's so much noises.
Oh, yeah, you're just not used to it there, that's all.
Yeah.
I didn't have like a fan noise.
Yes, that's right, 'cause you sleep with a fan on in your room. Yep.
Did Finley or Cadigan cry? Or no, just Finley?
Yeah.
Cadigan's not there.
Her
Oh.
voice was done, so I couldn't really hear Finley. But Cadigan's not here.
Yeah, Cadigan's
Yeah.
at her grandparents' house, so. All right, I love you, buddy.
Love you too.
Bye. Jesse, what are you doing?
Never mind.
What's the matter?
The car is very, the car's not very, it's not, there's not much snow on the top. And there's not much on it. It's just getting
Get
out
in
of
here.
the driveway. What?
Get in here.
Why?
Because you're out there with no coat on.
So? I was just checking. I wasn't going out there for a long time. It's just it's gonna take forever to shovel all that out.
Well, I got the
So we can drive
snowblower.
out.
I got the snowblower.
Oh yeah.
We just got to be able to get the van out for tomorrow morning.
Yeah,
that's
because
all.
it's not covered with snow. The van.
Yeah.
The top's not.
We'll go out later when.
It's just a driveway. is
We'll
filled
go
with
out like around 4 or 5 and get it started. Okay.
snow. Okay.
All right. Getting down the stairs though, the stairs completely covered with snow. Did you see that?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to shovel the stairs up
Sorry to
before.
walk down.
It's so funny. This is so. For those of you who don't live in here, this is, if you can see, this is our main stairs. But then to get up the stairs, that's what we have to deal with. We have to clear the stairs off. And there's our van, which has no snow on it. Weirdly enough, it's a lot of snow drifts,
Probably because of the trees.
but it's still coming down pretty good. So.
Hi. I'm just gonna vlog a little bit, just because school is almost over. I still got a little bit more to do. I just got like some math, and then I'm done. And then I guess we'll just like later we have to like snow blow, right? We have to like snow blow the driveway so we can get it. So for tomorrow, so we can get out of the car. Well, so we can get the car out of the driveway, and we can drive away. So yeah, right now, okay, okay, over here is, well, you already know that, but I'm gonna be doing some more school. So, bye.
So this is basically what we got to deal with. The car isn't too covered with snow. Not like my aunt's car, who is completely covered. My van is just the way it's built with the wind. It just doesn't accumulate snow, which is good. But here's our staircase. As you can see, we can't even like get to it. And then I'm not even sure, like that's the road. I don't even know. Like, I need to be able to get my van from there to the road. And I don't see how that's going to happen. Ugh, this is horrible.
Hi.
Hey, so where do we begin?
This is gonna be a long time. I guess right here. It's gonna take a long time.
I just can't get, like, oh my god. This is the road. So, this is what worries me is, I know it's like black, it's like white out. This what worries me is this.
It's about like almost knee deep.
I have to get my car out from there to here, and there's no way that's going to happen. Like, look how deep that is.
No, kid. No.
It's like past his knees.
Uh-oh.
What's the matter?
It went, oh man, it went straight.
Oh, you gotta pull your pant legs down. See, like I got mine down.
I had mine
Got
down.
my ski pants on.
They don't come down, they just go right back up because the snow was
This is horrible. I gotta try to get that snowblower out.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, honey.
So
So, I did all this snow plowing with my snowblower, but I ran out of gas. But at least we can get to the road now.
yeah.
I was just about to clear that whole section too. I was going really good,
Yeah.
but I couldn't.
Oh no!
I ran out of gas.
Where's my shovel? Oh yeah! Do. Shovel time!
Oh my goodness. Alright,
Fine.
let's grab the shovels and go upstairs because I'm cold.
Yeah, me
I
too.
don't know about you, but I'm freezing.
Yeah.
We
My
need some hot
toes are
cocoa.
numb. My toes are numb.
Your face is
My
numb.
fingers
Your
are
little face is all red.
this. Well,
Yeah.
I took a piece of snow like that.
Ah,
I don't think I should have done that.
no, probably not. Alright, let's go upstairs.
So refreshing though.
Yeah, it feels good out here,
Yeah.
actually.
It's just cold.
Very cold. My lips are numb. I can barely talk. Hey, buddy.
Hi.
What you doing? Kind of a quiet day without Jaden, huh?
Yeah.
But we had fun. We had
Yeah.
dinner by ourselves. We went and cleared out the snow.
Yeah.
We were supposed to hear what time you were supposed to go in for surgery tomorrow morning, but there was nobody there when I called the hospital, so we have no idea what time you're supposed to go in tomorrow. So this is a weird predicament. So hopefully you're getting this done tomorrow. I don't know.
Do we even know what time?
No idea.
I guess we can't go if we don't know what time or...
No, I'm going to get up early at like 5 o'clock in the morning and call the hospital and
Okay.
see if they can give me a time. So, but that's all I can do.
Hi, Opie.
Other than that, I have no idea what to do. So anyway, yeah. So I just wanted to do a quick ending.
Okay.
Just say goodnight to everybody. Thank you for subscribing to the new subscribers.
Yep, thank you for subscribing and watching.
Mm-hmm.
And so, I guess I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah. We'll see you tomorrow, guys.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.